Group work in Canvas can be set up in more than one way, and the right choice really depends on what you're trying to get out of it. Here's an existing group set, Project Teams. Students were placed into these groups directly, which gives you control over how skills and personalities are distributed across each group. Now here's a second group set, Study Groups, set up differently. Self-sign up. Students choose their own group from a list rather than being assigned. This works well for lower stakes collaboration, like optional study partnerships, where student choice and buy-in matter more than balancing skill levels across groups. Whichever type you're working with, moving a student between groups is simple. Open the group set and drag or reassign the student from one group to another. You can also message an entire group at once, rather than each student individually. Useful if you need to give one group specific feedback or instructions. That's the two flavors of groups in Canvas: instructor assigned, when you want control over how groups are built, and self-sign-up, when student choice matters more. Either way, managing membership and communicating with a group is the same simple process once it's set up.